Netflix has quietly dropped a key feature. So first, they tell Will he can't share his account, which is his favorite pastime. Oh, no, not share his account. Or what were you sharing?
My sister's account. I was using hers.
You were using... Okay, so your sister was sharing her account with you. You got kicked out recently.
Yeah.
And you threw a whole tantrum.
I was all right.
And you're not going back. You're like, screw it then. Fine, I won't watch it.
Yeah.
Which I think people might want to hear before we get into this. Why you quit Netflix? Has your life changed at all? Is there anything you missed?
No. No, nothing.
Good Lord.
I feel like I have more time to do other activities.
Damn, dude, I didn't expect you to squeeze them that hard.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I don't have any streaming.
You're doing the touch grass, get outside type guy. Well, I don't mind. That's not. I like.
Yeah.
I'm doing things as well.
It's more slow, but I do enjoy that.
You're more of a Lou Later guy anyway.
Yeah. Playing guitar.
Easy.
And rock climbing, that kind of stuff.
Some chili peppers?
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, okay, so you quit, but now, I don't know why they would do this, but at the same moment here, they've also eliminated a feature that apparently some people really liked. I don't know that I ever used it, which is probably the reason they got rid of it, because probably the adoption rate was low, but this is the feature that allows you to completely randomize what Netflix is going to show you.
Oh, who wants that?
Called Surprise Me button.
Oh.
A year after launch, they are Xing it out. We reported on it ages ago when they first introduced it. It's when people are having a hard time figuring out what to watch on Netflix, and then between them and their friend or their significant other, they say,
all right, surprise me.
All right.
Got to do it.
We didn't decide yet.
Yeah.
We got to the limit. It was 8 minutes, and we didn't select. So, bang, surprise me. But I just don't know why you would get rid of it. Like, I guess if adoption rate's low enough, you're like, it's not doing anything anyways. But to me, for those that liked using it, it would be a little bit irritating to no longer have it. Sometimes finding something on Netflix is a chore. Sometimes you just want somebody else to choose for you. That's exactly why Netflix made the Surprise Me button. Hit it, and you're given a movie or a show that you wouldn't have necessarily watched before. It's a fun idea. Very simple, but it's gone now. Netflix told Wall Street Journal, we will continue to explore other ways to give members more options and ways to explore and discover content they want to watch. They're constantly trying things to keep people engaged, right? New content styles, new navigation, and all this stuff. But unfortunately, in the future, it will not be the randomizer button. It will not be the Surprise Me button.
Have you ever used it?
No, never.
Okay.
Because if I do have the time to go on Netflix, then I will have already probably heard of something that I am actually going directly towards.
Right.
I never in the moment.
You don't surf?
No. I used to. Probably early days Netflix.
Okay.
I think if I had more time on my hands, I might goof around. But now it's like, I had 2 stories on Lou Later, which were about that tennis show. So I was like, okay, I'm going to see if me and the kids like the tennis show. And we watched 2 episodes of it. Mm-hmm. Same with F1.
Yeah. It's coming back with season 5.
I got to kind of hear about it a little bit, and then maybe I can carve out like an hour in a day. But it's not a binge anymore. The binge thing is not happening anymore.
And you have the shows that you're going to watch. You're not going to look at new discoveries of shows.
It's unlikely. I think in this point in my life, I'm going to need a really strong recommendation to go look for it.
Dude, you got to watch the Irishman.
Like, you're making a strong recommendation.
I'm going to say it. Yeah, it's 3 hours.
Irishman or
Huh? Stranger Things?
No. Right now. Happening right now.
Last of Us?
Irishman or Last of Us?
Well, that's a movie versus a show.
Answer the question.
Maybe Last of Us.
Damn.
Right, so we can talk about
Irishman. Yeah. Damn, you go at Scorsese like that?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.